In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use a Vanilla Visa gift card on eBay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to activate the card, add it to your payment methods, and utilize it during checkout. Before you can use a Vanilla Visa gift card, it is essential to ensure that the card is activated. Refer to the instructions that came with the card, as some may require online activation or registration. Additionally, check the balance on the card to confirm that it has sufficient funds available. This activation process is crucial as it prepares the card for online transactions. Keep the card details on hand as you will need them during the checkout process on eBay. Next, log into your eBay account by entering your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings and then find the Payment Methods section. Here, choose the option to add a new credit or debit card. You will need to input the Vanilla Visa gift card number, expiration date, and security code. If prompted, also enter the billing address associated with the card. Review all entered information carefully before saving the payment method to ensure accuracy. When you are ready to make a purchase, select the item you wish to buy and proceed to the checkout page. On this page, you will see multiple payment options. Choose the Vanilla Visa gift card as your payment method. Before finalizing the transaction, check that the card balance is sufficient to cover the total order amount, including any applicable taxes or shipping fees. This step is crucial to avoid any payment issues during the transaction. After confirming that everything is correct, review the order summary displayed on the screen. This summary will provide a breakdown of the costs and the selected payment method. Once you are satisfied with the details, confirm the purchase. eBay will process the payment using your Vanilla Visa gift card, and you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the order was successful. This confirmation will also include details about your purchase and any relevant tracking information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.